welcome back to my channel. I realized I didn't make a proper intro to this video, so I just wanted to say welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. This is the start of autumn vlogs, so I'm really excited about that. You guys know this is my favorite season. I do loads of fun things in this vlog, and I've introduced a new like baking segment, so let me know if you guys enjoyed that, and I'll definitely do more. And leave comments on what you want me to bake next or even like cook next. And I go to HomeSense in this video with Zahra, and what else did I do? Oh, I'm gonna decorate my room now, but I'll show you that at the end of this vlog. Zahra's with us today. She doesn't want to be in it because I just spent 20 minutes getting ready. But we're just gonna make a quick stop at HomeSense. This is my outfit. It is mid-August, but the weather's horrible outside. It's literally raining. So I was like, why not just pretend it's autumn? And that's what we're going to do. We're gonna go look at the autumn stuff. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I need that in my life. Okay, let's go over to this side. I don't like skulls. I'm not a fan of skulls, but I love pumpkins. I love that. That's cool. Got a lot of skulls. I saw some cute cushions. Is this it? It's a bit dead. Badge, which one should I get?
Bad to the bone.
Bad to the... I don't like the skeleton. You get that. Oh, what's this? Set of 3 pillows. I bet it says trick or treat on it.
I think it does though.
Should I get that?
Or treat. It's on everyone.
Oh,
This is fun. What is this?
that's a bit of me. What does it say? I think I'm gonna get this one. Keep it real.
Oh, Zahra. It's upside down. Good night.
Ah, that's so cute.
That's cute.
This is gorgeous.
Zahra, did you see the hot pink one in the beginning?
Yeah, I've seen that. I love
this
this.
colour.
It's really gorgeous. These seats, all these seats. Very nice. Oh my gosh, wait. I see something autumnal. Oh. I like how they've like spread it out across the shot. This is really pretty. Just got bats on it. Oh, I love pumpkins, guys.
Oh my god, look at that.
That is so cute.
Pen on the
Since
magnet.
Zahra and Mama both have homes, they're looking, let's show them.
It's really good. You stick it to your fridge.
Yeah.
And
she puts
anything
a
you remember,
grocery list
I have
on
a
it.
pen on my fridge, so
Yeah.
I can just jot it down.
That one's really cute,
Mama, do you want
Bad.
this one? You take this one. Honestly, that's the cutest one. Pen.
Mama's struggling. Oh, that's nice.
Cute.
Look what my mum does. Mama, show the vlog. Look at that. It's so vintage. What would you put in it?
Rice.
Rice. And then show your kebab one.
I love this one.
It's really nice. Oh, that's. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Nice. I like this bowl. It's very heavy.
really nice.
You have to like
That's
empty the
good
whole
though.
peeler out.
That's really nice.
Made in Italy.
Yeah, it's nice when you put stuff on the table like this stuff. And Badge, look over here. It's like Moroccan dishes.
They had a whole set of this.
Isn't it? Look, it's like exactly what we saw in Morocco. Show them.
I love this.
That's really nice.
Oh, what would you use these tiny ones for?
What did they? Yeah, dips like.
Oh, that's too cute.
That's so cute.
That's adorable.
Oh, I like those.
It's really delicate.
If I was getting a house, that's what I would get in it. And then, meanwhile, I would be buying this. Just looking at the pasta. Oh, you need.
Fancy, like.
I think the bow. Oh yeah, obviously without the
I
vodka,
want, like,
guys.
fancy pasta.
Oh, what about that badge? I don't want to touch it with my foot, but this one. No?
Isn't that like
That
heavy?
looks nice.
This looks cool.
Yeah,
Rigatoni.
rigatoni. It's really nice. Get that. Do you need some pink Himalayan salt, love? Oh, there we go.
That would look cool out on the kitchen counter.
It would.
This.
Oh, that would look sick.
That's
It's like
sick.
decoration at the same time.
I like that.
I like that. Oh, having a house seems so fun. This is really funny because they're buying like grown-up things. Like,
Smells.
and then just show this that I'm buying Zahra
out here buying.
a pumpkin. But I'm gonna do more baking, and I'm getting this cute little pillow. Like, I've got their autumn stuff out, and Zahra's really upset because she prefers summer. How beautiful is Barton Square? I just remember I lined up here at 8 AM for when Primark first opened. Guys, Primark has like Skims knockoffs. They're actually really soft. But I don't know how they'd feel after you wash it. But yeah.
I quite like this.
Yeah. It's a yes from me and Shaw. Oh, these would feel so soft.
Wait, how much is this?
£12.
God.
Skims is like 100, I'm guessing.
I always thought it'd be like a towel.
Yeah, pajamas in these sets are always the coziest ones. Like they're always like £12 and they come in like a set and they're the softest things I've ever put on. I have like 3 of these and they're so comfy. We just got changed into comfy clothes and
Where
we picked Mario up. We're at Afghan Kasmi. I crave a kabuda. This is the place to call. I know what your favourite place on Monza Road is. Oh my god.
I know, I'll find you another one. I'll find you another one.
Oh, that's so cute. Daddy doesn't like it when we eat like starters because we always get really full.
Thank you. Zahra, grab this.
Thank you.
One more.
Chicken with
So we've just we're just having dessert now.
kulfi.
Badge got kulfi and Mara got ice cream. I think it's a few weeks later now. But I realised I didn't show you what I got from Home Sense, and you're probably wondering why I'm wearing an apron right now. I really want to try for these autumn vlogs to incorporate like baking into them, because I just think baking's really peaceful and it's just a really fun thing to do. So I'm going to start off by making my famous banana bread. You guys have seen me do it so many times. I'm just gonna tie my hair back obviously, but I wanted to show you my apron. So my friends got me this for my birthday ages ago, and I think it's from Not on the High Street, but it says Zahra on it. I just thought that was really cool. I've never had an apron before. Let's go make some banana bread. From Home Sense I picked up this little tray and it has pumpkins on it, and I just thought that was so adorable. So I'm gonna go downstairs, wash this up, and then use this whilst I'm making my banana bread. Okay, so we are down in my kitchen. I just started sifting the flours and the sugars, as you just saw, but I'm just going to tell you what ingredients I use because normally when I bake I do like a montage and I never actually tell you what I'm doing. I'm going to read out the recipe, like what the ingredients call for. You're going to start off with 140 grams of butter. I've already measured that out and put it into my bowl. Extra butter or margarine because we're going to line the tin as well. Well, actually, oh my gosh, I just remembered I got these ages ago from B&M Bargains. They're these cake tin liners, exactly the size of my banana bread. So it's like this huge cupcake case basically. Then you need 140 grams of caster sugar and then 140 grams of self-raising flour. Make sure it's self-raising flour. I've baked so many times and used the wrong flour, and it actually affects what you're making. So you need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. It says 2 ripe bananas, but I always use 3. My bananas are pretty small, and when it says ripe, it just means make sure that they are nice and spotty. And if you have a family like mine, just put an elastic band, and I put a little sign saying do not eat. One time I did this and everyone ate them still. So obviously 2 eggs. I did the bananas, but I decided to only do 2 bananas just because I haven't made this in a while and I just want to follow the recipe properly. If you can hear that noise, I am preheating my oven, so you want to preheat it at 180 degrees Celsius. First thing we're going to do is add our butter and sugar to our mixing bowl. I'm using an electronic mixer. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but I can only use the kitchen and bake when I'm the only one in the kitchen. I don't like it when other people are in here when I'm baking and like in my space. It really irritates me. I'm gonna mix this together and we'll be back. So you want to wait till they get light and fluffy like this, and then I'm gonna add my eggs to the mixture. So after I've added these in, we're going to fold the flour in. I never used to know what fold means, so basically you add a little at a time. So you add a bit, mix it, add more, mix it. So I've put a tiny bit of flour in, the rest is over here, and I'm going to keep adding as I go. Okay, flour is all in. Going to add this teaspoon of baking powder. Bananas are in. Now to clean everything. So guys, this is how the banana bread turned out. It looks really nice. I ended up leaving it in for 45 minutes instead of 30. But just after 30 minutes, just keep checking on it, like put a knife through it and check if it still needs cooking or baking or whatever. But yeah, it smells really nice. I'm excited to try it. So it is literally a month later since you saw those clips, and I just haven't been doing anything social media wise for the whole of September. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I wasn't feeling well for ages, so I just took a break. But yeah, I'm back, and in honor of autumn, I'm gonna decorate my bed, and then I'm gonna sort out my clothing rail because it's just gotten really messy and all my summer clothes are on there, so obviously I want to put them away and take my jumpers out. But yeah, I'm going to show you what I got because I got it on Amazon, so I'm excited to show you, and yes, we'll do a little time lapse as well. So here's what I got. I just got this autumn leaf garland. It's so beautiful, and that's literally my favorite part of autumn, like the orange leaves. I'm gonna put this on my headboard. As you can see, I've got fairy lights. I might just leave the fairy lights there. Mari, what do you think? Should I leave the fairy lights there?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh right, okay.
Wait,
that's
the
fine.
big bulb one?
Yeah, and then put this.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I'll do that. I was ill and I was on like painkillers and stuff, so I accidentally ordered like 2 of each. So I need to return these 2. But anyway, I got this garland, another one, and it says Hello Autumn, and it's the cutest thing. The only thing is I have no idea where to put it. So if I don't find somewhere to put it, I might give it back, but I'll put a picture of it on the screen how it looks. I'm not going to open it until I know what I want to do with it. But yeah, I'm going to make a little TikTok as well, so follow me on TikTok. And then I normally have just white pillows over here, so I might try switch it up, put some more colourful pillows there, but I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, it's come broken. That's annoying. It came broken, so like there's some leaves that are on it, but honestly I'm not that type of person to send it back. Like I really don't care. It's just going over here, so it doesn't even matter if it's a bit broken. But yeah, that's fine, just in case you order it. I'll leave the link to it below, but just know that the quality, but I do love the leaves. Like I think there's a lot of detail on it, and they actually look really beautiful. Like look at that, and then they've got the brown specks on it as well, so I do feel like it doesn't look cheap or anything. Okay guys, this is what the bed looks like. I absolutely love it. It looks so cozy, and I just put these 2 pillows here. So those back 3 is what I normally have, so the bed looks really neutral normally. So I thought I would tie in an orange pillow to go with the leaves, and then this pillow right here has some orange in it, and that pillow's from Primark. This one's from IKEA, I think. The back 2 are also from Primark, and then the middle fluffy one is from IKEA. And then this bedding that I absolutely love is from Primark. Yeah, Primark. They have really nice bedding. I just love the detail on it, because I was gonna get plain white first, but I just thought this added something, and I just love all the textures on it. And then this canopy, I get questions about this, from IKEA. It was only like £10, but I think it adds so much to your bedroom. Like, it just takes my bedroom to the next level because it just looks so much more princessy. But yeah, I absolutely love this.